What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it is looking like it is essentially just still chopping sideways in between these Fibonacci levels as we've been talking about now. A tale as old as time really. You can see obviously we came down and formed that low down here at that peak capitulation area. You can see it's looking fairly similar to Ethereum's price chart, which is interesting, not correlated to Bitcoin but more like Ethereum at the minute. And as you can see, we came back up in between the 0.38 and the 0.50. Resistance and support ranging in between these two levels for ages. We finally got the run up to the 0.618 up at this level here, and then obviously the FTX collapse happened. It forced us all the way back inside the range, and since then still chopping sideways, still trying to figure out what's going on in the markets. Really, we are just going sideways at the minute, aren't we? You can see it very clearly here. Once we came back inside this Fibonacci level here, retest as resistance, we roll down to double bottom back test, that capitulation event. And then we started making our way back up here, didn't we? And you can see the previous top of that range has been respected here multiple times. Resistance, resistance, and then since then, looking like we have, been going sideways, getting a little bit of a capitulation today. A little bit of a rollover just because Bitcoin's having a bit of a rollover, but really not much to say with Polygon at all. Other than that, it's still going sideways in our Fibonacci levels here. And we really are waiting for a break of these Fib levels in either direction before we are, going to be taking any kind of consideration about the direction of Polygon. It has just been going sideways for months and months now, hasn't it? Let's be honest. And to be honest, the short-term price targets will be, inside the range until we see ourselves breaking in either direction. As we always see here, you probably expect it to come up here and retest the Fibonacci, I would say, at the top more likely than the bottom, because Polygon has been holding it really strong, looking quite bullish in general. Up at around this 97-cent level, you'd probably expect this to come and get retested pretty soon. But if we do come down towards these levels here, we could easily see ourselves back down at 77 cents or at the bottom of the range at 75 cents if that's the case. So Polygon just going sideways, doing what it needs to do. Nothing too special going on here other than the fact that it is just essentially chopping sideways and waiting for its next move. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.